What if earning an extra $100 every single day could change your life? Chain dollar year. Most people are looking in the wrong places, but in this video, I'll show you realistic ways that can start using. Let's get started. First, use a skill you already have. Whether it's writing, video editing, graphic design, tutoring, or voiceover work, turn those skills into daily income. Could be all it takes to start earning your first $100 a day. But here's an even easier option. Many people earn their first $100 by selling unused items from around the house or buying undervalued products and reselling for a profit. It's simple, low cost, and anyone can start. But here's an even easier option. Many people earn their first items from around the house or buying undervalued products and reselling them online for a profit. It's simple, low cost, and anyone can start. Almost nobody realizes this. Combining 2 or 3 small income streams is often faster than chasing one big paycheck. Earn $35, $30, and $35, and you've reached your $100 a day goal. The biggest mistake is waiting for the perfect opportunity. Successful people don't wait, they start with what they have. Then improve step by step as they grow. Your first $100 a day won't happen overnight, but with consistency, it's more achievable than most people think. Which method would you try first? Let me know in the comments for more practical money tips.